Welcome to the Disease Queen Show. Tonight's special is all about the diseases rubella and tetanus.
Now we're going to take some questions from Twitter with the hashtag #AskAboutRubella and Tetanus.
Our first question is from Dr. Oz. Dr. Oz asks what the common names for rubella and tetanus.
The common name for tetanus is lockjaw, with the organism type of Clostridium tetani bacteria.
The common name for rubella is rubella itself. The organism type is rubevirus.
Thank you for sending in your question. Now we have King James, who asks, what are the symptoms for both diseases?
The symptoms for rubella are mild fever, runny or stuffy nose, headache, muscle pain, red eyes, swollen throat, and a pink rash that starts on the face and moves downward.
As for lockjaw, they are stiff neck, jaw, or muscle, difficulty swallowing, irritation, and uncomfortable spasms of the neck and jaw.
Thanks, at King James. Now for at I'm Sick, she asks what the treatments are and can they cause death.
Lockjaw does have a vaccine. They are called tetanus antibiotics, and everyone has to get them. As for death, yes, tetanus can cause death, but it is very rare. For a fun fact, the most common cause is when someone gets their wisdom teeth out.
Rubella has a vaccine which is called MMR, and the disease can cause death. The most common cause is when someone sneezes or coughs in the air.
Thanks that I'm sick. Now we have Get Vaxio, who asks when was the first vaccine given. Well, tetanus vaccine was administered in 1923 in World War II.
As for rubella vaccine, it was given in 1969. Thanks, at Get Vaxio. Now we have at Tree Hugger, who asks, what is the schedule for the vaccine and is it effective at fighting the disease? Rubella's first dose is at 12 to 15 months, and the second dose is at 4 to 6 years of age.
Tetanus vaccine you have your whole life. The vaccine is very effective. Thanks, at Tree Hugger. Next question is from On Baywatch, who asks, what are the side effects to the vaccine and who discovered it?
For MMR, the side effects are low fever, headache, vomiting, joint or muscle pain, numbness, redness, pain, and swelling. The creator of it was Maurice Hillman.
The side effects for tetanus vaccine are redness, warmth, hives, and rashes. The people who discovered it were the people at Pasteur Institute by scientists.
Thanks for the question, On Baywatch. Our last question is from One Direction Infection, asking has the disease declined or has it been irritated? Rubella has declined but has not been irritated.
Tetanus has declined also, but there are about 29 cases a year. Thanks, at One Direction Infection. Also, thanks to everyone who's watching.
We thank all of our fans.
Goodbye and good night, folks.